So we're here to change a fan motor. You can hear that noise, that whine. Let's take it out and see what we find. So here's the old motor and here's the new one. New one? Quiet. Quiet. New. Noisy old. Guessing it's a bearing. Let me know what you guys think. I'm working on that split unit and disconnect is buzzing, so I see sparks. Can you believe? Look at that loose terminal. Look how loose that terminal was. No buzzing. In the end, changed out the motor and the left side bearing of the Fujitsu split unit. The unit is now much quieter than it was before.